Another day, another English lesson. Common mistakes: borrow and lend. Hello everyone. Today we're looking at two verbs that English learners often mix up: borrow and lend. They describe the same situation, but from two different points of view. Once you understand the direction of each verb, you'll never confuse them again. Borrow equals to take something temporarily. When you borrow something, you take it from someone else and you plan to give it back later. The focus is on you, the person receiving the item. Examples: can I borrow your pen? I want to take your pen and use it, then give it back. She borrowed some money from her brother. She took money from her brother temporarily. Lend equals to give something temporarily. When you lend something, you give it to someone else, expecting to get it back later. The focus is on you, the person giving the item. Examples: can you lend me your pen? I want you to give me your pen temporarily. He lent his car to a friend for the weekend. He gave his car to a friend temporarily. Prepositions to remember. Borrow is used with from. Examples: I borrowed a book from the library. Lend is used with a person as the indirect object, or with to. Examples: I lent my sister my jacket. I lent my jacket to my sister. Now you try. Watch and complete the sentences with the correct form of borrow or lend. One, could I borrow your umbrella? It's raining outside. 2, she lent me her notes before the exam and I really appreciated it. 3, she borrowed some sugar from her neighbour because she ran out. 4, can you lend me $20 until Friday? 5, I borrowed this dress from my cousin for the wedding last weekend. 6, the library will lend you up to 5 books at a time. 7, we borrowed a ladder from our neighbours to clean the gutters. 8, my uncle lent me his old guitar when I started taking lessons. 9, did you borrow that jacket or is it actually yours? 10, banks lend money to people who want to buy a house. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more lessons.